Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on my channel, me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. Surely you spend a lot of time on your smartphone, on Instagram and Facebook. Lika used to tell you how to find a girl there. You haven't seen it yet? Don't waste time. Today I will tell you how to take breathtaking photos for social networks. You will find out what poses will help you to look best. You will be able to make new acquaintances and who knows, maybe you will find the one. If you are interested in this topic, support my video blog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go! The first point of my super useful top, think about light. Light can both hide flaws and highlight them. A photo taken with the right lighting doesn't even need to be processed. Do not shoot at noon, colors will fade. The most top time for a photo is an hour after sunrise and an hour before sunset. Photographers call those hours the golden hours. Photos are just a bomb. Do not be lazy to wake up early to make seductively beautiful photos. In the second point, I will tell you the next thing. Clothes and hairstyles should correspond to the location of the shooting. If you are taking a photo in an amusement park, it will be weird if you are wearing a business suit. For this place, choose a casual look, light and free. But most importantly, be neat. Girls always pay attention to the details. Sitting in an expensive car, you should look representative. A tracksuit, careless shoes are inappropriate here, but don't overdo it with luxury details. Point number 3 of my digital top. Don't overdo it with luxury. Girls are alarmed by this. They think that guys are just showing off, exposing everything. Do not combine an expensive car, watches, branded shoes in one photo. This obviously will not work in your favor. A laconic but stylish look will look advantageous against the background of an expensive car or modern office building. But I beg you, do not look for expensive cars on the streets to take pictures. The depth of your fall in her eyes when she finds out that she's not yours will be comparable to the Mariana Trench. It's the same with your hand watch. If you're the owner of a class watch for a decent amount and are very proud of it, do not pose in natural positions is an advertisement for the watch. Better behave in such a way that it's just an accessory for you to watch the time. For her, this is the best about your wealth, because a Mercedes or Jaguar for the rich is just a car. The last iPhone is just a phone, and a Patek Philippe is just a watch. My fourth point, background is important for selfies. Pay attention to what gets into the background and improve it. Ask people to move, change the shooting angle and get rid of unnecessary elements. Don't take photo with the toilet in the background. Find picturesque places in your city and that's to the frame. No matter how cute you are in the photo, the ridiculous background will distract attention from you. For example, don't do something like this. Or how hot these guys are and how much the background spoils the whole impressions of him. And here we have some cool selfies. The guy taller than everyone else will have the coolest shot. The best backdrop is a beautiful landmark. There are many beautiful buildings in India. Take a selfie and the girls will be interested in where you found the cool place. And we have the fifth point of my magic top. Choose favorable poses. Let's start with a standing pose. Pull your shoulders back and hold your stomach in. Cross your hands in front of you. Put them in your pockets, put them in your hips, or just put them down. Cross your legs or keep them straight. Lean against the wall. Stand straight or sideways. Sitting, place one ankle on the knee of the other. Sit on the floor, cross your legs, place your hand freely on your leg. Lean against the wall. Spend time in front of the mirror, define your work side and some good facial expressions. Now you know how to take cool photos for social networks. Did you like it? Tell us in the comments how you like to be photographed. What poses do you use? By the way, have you watched my episodes about chatting on Instagram? There I showed the main mistakes guys made when meeting a girl. You will definitely like it. Do you want to know about the features of photos for Facebook and Instagram? What is the best photo for an avatar? What filters improve photos? Then wait for the second part of this video, and in order not to miss, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Well, you won't leave me without your mighty like, will you? Bye bye!